Yeah, radio back on.
Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page.
Yeah. I hope that's not what I think it is. It's probably not. Yeah, it's raining. To the fortress. There's a crap ton of sticks on my fortress. I hear sirens. It's probably just me. Yeah, it's raining. Either my mind is deceiving me, or I actually hear sirens. Not that there's many in my area, but, or it's my radio. Yep, winds up to 60 miles per hour. Oh! Should probably be inside, but epic. What was that? That's not my radio. Oh, shit. It's the gutters. Gutters are flying off now. Oh, wait, no, this was from the roof. Because we just had the roof redone. So, back to thine fortress. Yeah, I know. I'm very cringy. Okay, the winds have calmed relatively. Yeah. Hope there's no lightning, because I'm screwed. Telescope that does absolutely nothing. Wind's picking up again. Swings do be moving. I hear thunder over there. Just gonna perch up here. Yeah, I think that's the main bulk of the storm over there. It could be. Or it's right on top of me. That warning goes 3:30, it's 3:20. So, yeah, it's starting to rain now. Maybe you can see that. But nothing. Oh, hey, I have the tree protecting me from the rain, relatively. So, yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. The wind do be picking back up. I know my camera, like, me trying to film like a cameraman is absolute garbage. I'm trash at this, I'm sorry. got something in my eye. Thank God my Kindle's fireproof, waterproof. My radio's still up. Just heard something fall again. Probably the same thing that fell last time. Things are falling on the patio. I'm so glad this tree's right here. Well, I'm still getting wet, it's just I'm not getting soaked. Which is good, I suppose. I probably should be inside right now, but I'm not. So, yeah. My fortress is tilting downwards. So yeah, we get in a new pool. You guys don't care, I know that. Look at a tree right there. Crosby! Oh, Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God! Get inside! When did I leave the door open? Yeah.
Are possible with this storm.
Coming.
Locations impacted include Katanning, West Katanning,
Thank
East
God I
Brady,
have this
Rural
thing.
Valley, Worthington, Dayton, West Hills, Manderville, Applewold, Atwood, Vicksburg. Nearshore forecast.
I feel rain.
For the following nearshore location.
Don't need to know about that right now. Probably hold on to this huge antenna. So I'm gonna shorten it for the purpose of mobility. What? So I can run around. Yeah.
Waves 1 foot or less building to 2 to 4 feet.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, I'm feeling rain. That guy in that truck was just looking at me with my Kindle and my radio like, what on earth is he doing?
Toledo is 74 degrees.
Oh boy. I know it's not that dark on my Kindle, but trust me, it's pretty dark. Max volume so I can hear it. Probably nothing right now, considering 3 severe thunderstorm warnings have already been issued for my area. Those aren't sirens. Okay. Yeah. My AccuWeather app is saying it's going off. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for my area until 3:30. Oh, they just updated it for 3:30. Not just 3. I know you guys probably don't care, but for me, like, this is the first time I've seen a severe thunderstorm like this in a while. Like, in a while. So, yeah. Oh boy. You know, like right there. It's almost dark. You know, like over there. Yeah, I'm feeling rain.
Over Leedsdale or near Aliquippa, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour and small hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry,
This is
Boone
the one for
Township,
me.
Franklin, Economy,
Sorry.
O'Hara Township, Ambridge. This includes the following highways.
Yeah.
Pennsylvania Turnpike between produce gusty winds,
Yeah,
small
turned
hail,
it off.
and heavy rainfall.
Yeah, it's
Highs
raining.
in the upper
And
70s. Temperatures falling into the mid-70s
they're
late.
saying,
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
they're saying torrential rainfall is possible.
90%.
So I'm gonna just put this right here. And warning. Stick the antenna out. Antenna. And then right there. So then hopefully I can hear it. Yeah. Something's going. Yep. What's happening?
Bulletin. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wolfdale, or near Washington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail.
Dang.
Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
The Weather
Locations
Channel.
impacted include Washington, Canonsburg, Wolfdale, McGovern, Bentleyville, East Washington, North Charleroi, Houston, Ellsworth, 84, Coke Highways, Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 24 and 45. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania, and Brooke, West Virginia. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southwestern Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for central Washington County until 4 p.m. Weatherman. Severe thunderstorm watch number 269, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of...
Another one. And a dust devil.
On the outskirts of Grants, New Mexico, as you can see, it was.
And listen for later statements and possible warnings.
A funnel cloud was rising high.
Thunder.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Weather message. For the following county, Allegheny.
Oh, come on.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh
Not in
has issued a
Florida.
flood advisory for northwestern Allegheny County and southwestern...
That's where I am. Whoa! Another one! Another one! Another one! Dang!
Weather bulletin. For the following
Yeah, right there.
counties in
Right there, Pittsburgh.
Pennsylvania,
Pittsburgh, that's where I am.
Washington and Westmoreland.
Probably shouldn't be
The
saying that, but I
National
don't
Weather
care.
Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny
That's where I am.
County and
Southeastern Allegheny. I probably
Pennsylvania,
shouldn't be saying that.
southwestern Westmoreland County and southwestern Pennsylvania. 4 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over White
And
Oak
it's
or near
3:30.
McKeesport,
Yeah.
moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour.
Dang.
source.
Please don't
radar.
say Bethel Park
Impact.
will be
Expects
impacted.
damage to trees and power
Please
lines,
just don't
resulting
say
in
that.
some power outages. Locations impacted include
no.
Greensburg, McKeesport, Jeanette, West Mifflin, South Park Township, Jefferson Hills,
That's that
North
far.
Versailles, White Oak, Clarendon, Duquesne, Glassport, Irwin. This includes the following
Not
highways.
South Park.
Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 47 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 64 and 81. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm
Torrential
and may lead to
rainfall.
flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
Yeah, that's right. That's
on the
exactly
roadway.
where I am.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny,
Pretty sure we just
Washington,
heard
and
this.
Westmoreland. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area.
Again?
Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. A
Jeez.
severe thunderstorm
Whoa.
watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southwest.
That entire... My God. Basically, all of southern Pennsylvania is in a... Another one! Good God.
Northwestern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area.
Oh, crap.
Up to 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Moon Township, Franklin Park, Shaler Township, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Scott Township, Robinson Township, Dormant, O'Hara Township, Bellevue, Carnegie, Kennedy Township, Westview, Stowe Township, McKees Rocks, and Crafton. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Weather message.
Another one?
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Beaver. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flood advisory for West Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Frankfort Springs, Raccoon Creek State Park, and Hanover Township. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded
75-inch
roads.
hail and 60 miles
Most
per hour
flood
winds.
deaths occur in vehicles.
Dang.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. An early terrain thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Another one!
Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. A strong thunderstorm capable of producing small hail, gusty wind, and heavy rain will affect southeastern Beaver, southwestern Butler, and northwestern Allegheny counties. At 3:10 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Leetsdale, or near Aliquippa, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 45
Yeah,
miles
my
per
camera
hour and small
sucks.
hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Minneca, Shaler Township, Hampton Township, Economy, O'Hara Township, and Bridge. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 24. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 68 and 83. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 41 and 50. Torrential rainfall also is occurring with this storm and may cause localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio KIH 35 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, operating on 162.55 megahertz with a power output of 1,000 watts on a transmitter located on the WQED tower, with broadcast originating from the National Weather Service in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. Nearshore forecast.
Okay, I guess that'll do it for today's video. Bye. Never mind, just one more. One more. I just had to do it right after I ended the video. Till 4 p.m. 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over White Oak, or near McKeesport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source radar. Impact. Expected damages to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Greensburg, McKeesport, Jeannette, West Mifflin, South Park Township, Jefferson Hills, North Versailles, White Oak, Clairton, Duquesne, Glassport, Irwin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 47 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 64 and 81. Precautionary preparedness actions. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling blank 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 or posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter. 75-inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Nice. 105 degrees in Phoenix and another severe thunderstorm warning. Central Washington County, Southwest Pennsylvania, and until 4 p.m. Okay. No, that's for my sisters. Wonderful. Across most of the desert Southwest, we're going to be flirting with all-time record highs in some states like Utah and Nevada, Las Vegas. This includes you, Salt Lake City. You're under a heat advisory. Moab, if you are headed up to Canyonlands or Zion National Park. Canyonland? National Park. Did I hear that right? Canyonland? Plenty of a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Another one! Oh my God! And wear you out much more quickly than you anticipate. It's the same one. Average highs up near 87 degrees. So today, is it the same one? It's the same one. Right? Tomorrow, not too bad, 91. But even in central California, so the Central Valley, which is an agricultural rich area, you got 103 on Wednesday, 110 degrees Thursday for Sacramento. My goodness, that's a lot. Makes it into our top few hottest days in record. If we were to get up to 106, certainly 107, that could be some of the hottest air we've ever experienced, and records have been kept. And even as we cool things down a little bit here later in the week, we're still going to be in the upper 90s. So it'll be hot. Tucson